So, Yameena, here we have another question from our viewer who is asking what is the wage requirement for a high wage LMIA on Ontario and how long does the processing typically take?
So there are three separate wages that someone needs to keep in mind when they are applying for an LMIA. The first is the provincial minimum wage. So their wage needs to be above the provincial minimum wage in Ontario right now, which last time I checked is around 15.50 an hour because I do have some Ontario as an employee and I have to make sure that I pay them well above the minimum wage. The second thing that this person needs to keep in mind for a high wage LMIA is that their wage is above the high wage threshold, which as of November 8, 2024, in Ontario, the high wage threshold was $34.07. This is updated annually. So there is a chance that if they apply for their LMIA a few months down the line, there will be an update to the 34.07 number. The third thing that they need to keep in mind in terms of the wage is the median wage level. In limited situations, there can be exemptions to the median wage level. For example, if they are operating under a collective agreement. And in terms of processing times, the processing time is going to depend a lot on the type of LMIA that was applied for. The LMIA can take anywhere from 7 business days to 235 business days to process. In terms of the work permit processing time, that is also going to depend a lot on whether the application was submitted inside or outside Canada. If it was submitted inside Canada, they might be looking at a work permit processing time of up to 200 days.
All right. Thank you so much, Yameena, for your answer.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, DocketWise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.